Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm super excited to announce that my baking and pastry course is starting this October. 1st of October, we have our welcome webinar. This course has been running for a few years. So if you wanted to come, we only run every course once a year. So our cheesecake course just got sold out. So if you missed out on this one, you can come and join us in our baking and pastry course. At the moment, we have a wait list. So wait list gives you a priority and the best price, the lowest price. And then after that, we will put the full prices on our website. So if you want to get on a wait list, if you're thinking about the baking pastry course, if you want to do something over the autumn, it's going to get rainy and cold and gray. You might want to just bake every week something yummy and delicious and enjoy it with your family or friends, or if you're potentially thinking maybe selling the goodies for the Christmas period. As you know, it's the best period to sell and make money, from pastries, cakes, from October till December, pretty much. End of December, it's like the highest cake season and pastry season. So if you're thinking of this as a business, this could be an amazing opportunity to learn and invest in yourself, in your skills. And yeah, more about the baking pastry course you can find on my website and all the other online courses that I run. I get often asked about, when is the next course? When is this course? So all my courses are running only once a year. Because we fully dedicate our time. Like, I'm with you through the whole course. Like, I am going live every week, teaching you, guiding you, holding your hands. So you're never alone. We have a lot of beginners, a lot of people that are literally first timers, and an amazing community of bakers. You all start at the same time, you all cook together, you all like encourage each other and motivate each other and get inspired from each other. It's an amazing place. I think community is the best thing that we have about our courses, plus my live support. Like, I'm the only person right now in any courses that gives you full attention, of course with the mentors as well, but you get my personal time every single week, a whole hour with me to ask me any questions about the desserts or pastries that we're making that week. So all my courses run once a year because we put a lot of time and effort and a personal time there. But the lessons are pre-recorded, so you can watch them at any time, anywhere, and you can make them at your own pace, from iPad, iPhone, laptop, however you like to study. And so I ran 2 courses in autumn and 2 courses in spring. And this year, cheesecake course is finished now, it's sold out. Baking pastry course just starting. And then next year in March or April, we'll be launching hopefully sponge cake course and mousse cake course again. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the course hopefully.